It's a tragedy because no religion sanctions the killings of the innocent. But these demented monsters called Boko Haram, I don't even consider them as members of the human race. But be rest assured that no matter how long the night is, it must give way to the light of the dawn. We are eternal optimists, but we will work harder than ever before to see that full peace is restored. And the government, through the National Emergency Management Agency, I'm here with the DG. She's a mother, she's a housewife, but she has abandoned her home to be with us here to render succor and support. The Northeast Development Commission is also on board, and of course, the chairman of SEMA, the energetic deputy governor, is also here with us. We render support and succor to the bereaved families and to the sick and wounded. We have that moral obligation to support them. And tomorrow, NEMA, in conjunction with other partners, will swing into action and render support to the bereaved families as well as to the injured ones. I want to thank the media for your support. Thank you very much.